he is the number one in Bangalore. We might not have the cheapest motorcycles, but we do put in a lot of effort to get the most clean, the accidental-free vehicles to KK Motors. You'll get 6 months engine warranty from our side, and one you'll get up to 50 grams silver coin, and RTO transfer will be done free of cost from our side. These three offers are valid from 1st October to 31st October 2025. A big bull in its kind, in its class, the Continental GT 650cc. Hi guys, what's up? This is Syed here. Welcome to our video where we are going to show you a wide range of mid-segment motorcycles, mileage motorcycles and premium motorcycles, and with of course our budget-friendly mopeds. We have three exciting offers from KK Motors to our subscribers, to our viewers. There are three exciting offers. That is, one you'll get 6 months engine warranty from our side, and one you'll get up to 50 grams silver coin, and RTO transfer will be done free of cost from our side. These three offers are valid from 1st October to 31st October 2025. So you guys please come to KK Motors, HBR Layout, Bangalore, and grab these amazing deals. This is 2019 model Benelli 600i, red color, just 18,000 driven, single owner, doctor used vehicle with brand new Metzeler tires. You can just check the vehicle. It is in pristine condition. It comes with iExile, double 5 exhaust, and company exhaust is also available. I'll just start the vehicle and show you the sound of the exhaust. Just check the sound. You can see, 1 minute. You can see it is just 18,400 driven, and it is recorded just 1000 kilometers before it has been serviced in the Benelli service center. Expecting price for this Beast 600cc is 6 lakhs. Someone who subscribes our YouTube channel and follows our Instagram page, we can finalize up to 5,70,000 only for our subscribers. And the jackpot offers like silver coin free and other offers also we have. If you want this vehicle and you want to know the other offers also, you can directly contact to us, or you can come to our table and finalize the deal immediately. Another vehicle, this is another Beast 650cc. You can just check the vehicle, single owner vehicle, just 700 kilometers back it has been serviced in the Honda service center. You can check the vehicle, just 15,000 driven. Vehicle is vehicle is in stock condition, loaded with character, and the expecting price is 10,25,000. We can finalize up to 9,80,000 only for our subscribers. Only, I repeat, only for our subscribers, we can finalize up to 9,80,000. And this is NS 400cc, 2024 model, just 11 months old, 5,700 driven, and just 600 back. That means 5,100 it has been serviced in the Bajaj Kivras showroom. You can just check the tires, body line, everything. 5,700 driven, single owner vehicle. Expecting price is 1,90,000. Only for our subscribers there is an offer with a silver coin also. If you buy this vehicle, you will get a silver coin as well. The final price will be 1,75,000. Only for our subscribers with a silver coin free. Yeah, you can come this. You can check this out. Classic 350cc, 2017 model, and it is single owner. Driven just 20,000. You can check the body line, color, engine, tires. Expecting price is 1,70,000. Anyone who subscribes our channel and comes will finalize up to 1,57,000 with a with a silver coin also. And the next one is Class A Royal Enfield Electra 350cc. This is also single owner, BS3 engine, 28,000 driven, single owner. Vehicle comes with carburetor, the most demanded vehicle in Royal Enfields. This is also single owner. This expecting price is 1,35,000. If someone subscribes our videos, our channel and comes, we'll finalize up to 1,28,000 with a silver coin free. And the next vehicle here, 2018 model Classic 350, Royal Enfield Classic 350. The Signal Edition, that means this is top end. It comes with carburetor BS4 engine, just 21,000 driven from the showroom, and it has aftermarket exhaust also. It has the original as well, original exhaust as well. Expecting price is 1,83,000. We can finalize up to 1,75,000 only for our subscribers. Yeah. The next vehicle is Classic 350 Reborn 22 model, 14,000 driven, single owner. It has alloy wheels also from the showroom. It is top end variant. You can check the vehicle out. This is also Signal Edition. It is single owner. Expecting price is 2,23,000. If someone subscribes our channel and comes, we can finalize up to 2,12,000 with a silver coin. And this is Classic 350, the most demanded vehicle in the Royal Enfield history. This is 2014 model Classic 350 BS3 engine, the most demanded, the most like 350s in India, I would say. It is 18,000 driven. This is second owner, 2014 model, loaded with character, number one condition. You'll get 6 months warranty also from our side, a silver coin from our side. Expecting price is 1,38,000. Someone who subscribes the video and comes, we can finalize up to 1,28,000. And here you come, Bajaj Pulsar 150cc 2013 model, single owner. You can just check the vehicle condition. Just 39,000 driven from the showroom itself. You can just check in the showroom also. You can bring a mechanic. You can check it in the showroom also. It is single owner, 2013 model. Expecting price 42,000. Someone who subscribes the videos and comes will finalize up to 35,000 with a silver coin. And for this vehicle also, we'll give you 6 months warranty. And there are other 2-3 offers also. I have Yamaha Aerox Version S. Version S means this is top end. It comes with magwheel disc with ABS, and it is keyless, controlled with a remote. Just 11 months old, 2024 model. You can just check the vehicle, just 5,800 driven, approx 6,000 driven. It is single owner. Expecting price is 1,58,000. Someone who subscribes the channel and who follows our Insta page, only for our subscribers, there is a limited time offer with a silver coin. We can finalize up to 1,48,000 with a silver coin, and with 6 months engine warranty also. We might not have the cheapest motorcycles, but we do put in a lot of effort to get the most cleaned, the accidental free vehicles to KK Motors. Now we have Triumph Scrambler 2024 model, just 18,000 driven with brand new boat tires. This is the new bike in the Adventure series. It comes with 400cc Triumph vehicle, and the most demanded adventure vehicle in 400cc right now in India. Now this price is expecting price is 2,68,000. If someone comes with subscribing our page, we'll give you 3 exciting offers. What are the offers? One, you'll get up to 50 gram silver coin free from our side, and RTO transfer will be done from our side with free of cost. And the third one, you will get 6 months engine warranty from our side for Triumph bike. And asking price is 2,65,000. If someone comes, sits on the table, we'll finalize up to 2,58,000. As you can see, we have a wide range of selective mopeds here. I have more number of mopeds in my other showroom named SN Autolink in VV Puram, Bangalore. You can visit there also for a range of collection of mopeds. Now we have 2018 model Access. It is magwheel disc brake. It comes with, it is single owner, and expecting price is 70,000. We can finalize up to 65. And this one, Bergman, the most demanded moped in India, you can say. And this is 2023 model. It is single owner, and expecting price is 1,13,000. We can finalize up to 1,08,000. And this is 2019 model, loaded with extra fittings, Zana extra fittings. As you can see, this is 2019 model. Expecting price 74,000. we can finalize up to 70,000. And this is 21 model Suzuki Access. This is also top end. The expecting price is 2000. Expecting price is 78,000. We can finalize up to 72,000. And this is Ntorq 22 model. Expecting price 83. We can finalize up to 75,000. And this is Bajaj Pulsar 220cc. This is expecting price 2018 model and expecting price is 78, slightly negotiable. And we can finalize up to 70,000. For demanded one, this is 2013 model with brand new tires. It is single owner BS3 engine, carburetor one, and driven around 26,000. It is single owner. Expecting price 1,30,000. We can finalize up to 1,24,000 with three exciting offers. And this is 2018 model. This is also single owner, and expecting price is 1,80,000. We can finalize up to 1,74,000. Carburetor vehicle it is. Vehicle comes with a fancy number also. You can see 1111. Whoever takes, he is the number one in Bangalore. If someone is planning budget-friendly adventure bike, this vehicle is for him. This is 2019 model, single owner, Xpulse 200cc. It comes with dual disc with ABS. Just 20,000 driven, showroom recorded. You can go anywhere off-roading, on-roading, anywhere you can drive this vehicle. It is in pristine condition. Expecting price is 98. If someone comes through our page, we'll finalize up to 90,000 with three exciting offers. And you can see this is Honda CB Shine, the most demanded, the most resale valued bike of 125cc segment in India. It is 2024 model, single owner, just 9,700 driven, showroom recorded with almost brand new tires, front and back. Both tires are brand new. You will get a disc in front wheel. It is single owner. Expecting price is 88. If someone comes through our page, we'll give him three exciting offers. Plus this vehicle he can get for 78,000. Now we have KTM 250cc. This is single owner, just 14,000 driven with a brand new back tire. It is single owner, 14,000 driven, showroom recorded. Expecting price is 1,73,000. If someone comes through our page, we'll finalize up to 1,63,000. And this is 2018 model Dominar 400cc, top end variant, dual disc ABS with almost brand new tires. Just 18,000 driven, single owner again. Almost our 90% stocks, 99% stocks are single owner vehicle only. This is single owner 2018 model. Expecting price is 1,33,000. If someone comes through our page, we'll finalize up to 1,23,000. So we have the most demanded vehicle in 390cc segment. This is KTM RC 390cc 2017 model, BS4 engine, and just 18,000 driven from the showroom. It is recorded in the showroom. You can have a check in the showroom as well. You can bring your personal mechanic also if you want. Expecting price is 1,65,000. If someone comes through our page, we can finalize up to 1,55,000 with three exciting offers. And this is 2023 model NS 200cc, one of the most liked in 200cc segment, Bajaj NS 200cc. It is top end variant. It comes with dual disc and ABS in the front. And this expecting price is 1,43,000. If someone comes through our page, subscribes our page and comes to our place, we'll finalize up to 1,30,000 with three exciting offers. So we have with us the Yamaha R15. This is also has a fancy number 8114. You can see this is 2024 model version 4. Just 3,500 driven from the showroom. Showroom recorded. You can have a check in the showroom also as well. If you have a personal mechanic, you can bring him along with you. This is just 3,000 driven, single owner. Expecting price is 1,80,000. We can finalize up to 1,70,000 with three exciting offers. What are the offers? One, you'll get up to 50 grams silver coin, and second, you will get 6 months engine warranty from our side, and the third, only for our subscribers, we'll do RC transfer for free of cost. Now you can see the big bull in its kind, in its class, the Continental GT 650cc. It is 2022 model, and it is single owner, driven around 18,000, showroom recorded with stock exhaust, stock vehicle, loaded with character, scratchless vehicle in pristine condition. Expecting price is 3,25,000. If someone comes and sits on the table, we'll negotiate around 3,10,000. and with three exciting offers. Now we have one of the most demanded vehicle in 200 cc's in Indian market. This is all new KTM Duke 200 cc, and it is 2018 model, the BS4 engine. Again, the most demanded, one of the most demanded in 200 cc's. It is in white color, just 18,000 driven, showroom recorded. You can have a check in the showroom as well. Expecting price is 1,42,000. We can finalize up to 1,35,000 with three exciting offers. And this is RC 200cc 2021 model. It is single owner, just 20,000 driven, recorded, showroom recorded. Expecting price is 1,78,000. We can finalize up to 1,70,000 with three exciting offers.